What if I told you that the decisions you make every day, from what you eat to where you live, could have a profound impact on your health, your beliefs, and even your political leanings? Intriguing, isn't it? So, let's delve into some questions and answers on these topics. Question 1. How does diet affect our health? A well-balanced diet provides the energy you need to stay active and supports your body's functions. Eating a variety of foods can help prevent diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Question 2. Can video games improve cognitive abilities? Indeed, research shows that video games can improve hand-eye coordination, problem-solving skills, and multitasking abilities. Question 3. How does religion influence society? Religion often shapes people's beliefs and influences their behavior. It can unify people and provide a sense of community, but can also cause division and conflict. Question 4. What impact do humans have on the environment? Humans significantly affect the environment through activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change. These actions can harm ecosystems and lead to a loss of biodiversity. Question 5. How do taxes support the economy? Taxes provide the revenue that governments need to fund public services, infrastructure, and social programs, which are all vital for a functioning economy. Question 6. How can exercise improve mental health? Regular exercise can reduce symptoms of mental health conditions like depression and anxiety, improve sleep, and boost overall mood. Question 7. Are there benefits to playing board games? Absolutely. Board games can enhance cognitive skills such as problem solving and decision making. They also promote social interaction and cooperation. Question 8. How does religion affect individual identity? Religion can greatly influence a person's identity, shaping their beliefs, values, and behaviors. It can provide a sense of belonging and purpose. Question 9. What can individuals do to reduce their environmental footprint? Individuals can make a difference by reducing waste, conserving water, choosing sustainable products, and adopting a plant-based diet. Question 10. Why do tax rates vary between different countries? Tax rates vary due to factors like the country's economic conditions, government policies, and public services provided. Question 11. How does sleep affect our health? Adequate sleep is vital for good health. It helps the body repair itself, supports brain function, and reduces the risk of chronic health conditions. Question 12. How have video games evolved over the years? Video games have evolved from simple pixelated graphics to complex, realistic virtual worlds. They've also become more interactive, allowing players to connect and compete globally. Question 13. Can religion and science coexist? Yes, many people find ways to reconcile their religious beliefs with scientific understanding, viewing them as complementary rather than contradictory. Question 14. What are the effects of climate change on the environment? Climate change leads to rising global temperatures, melting ice caps, rising sea levels, and more extreme weather events. It disrupts ecosystems and threatens biodiversity. Question 15. How do taxes influence business decisions? Taxes can significantly impact business decisions, including where to locate, how many people to employ, and what kind of investments to make. Question 16. How does stress impact our health? Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and mental health disorders. Question 17. How do mobile games compare to console games? Mobile games are typically more accessible and convenient, while console games often offer more complex gameplay and higher quality graphics. Question 18. How does religion influence morality? Religion often provides a moral framework that guides people's behavior and decision-making. Question 19. How can renewable energy benefit the environment? Renewable energy sources like solar and wind power do not emit greenhouse gases, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and helping to mitigate climate change. Question 20. How do taxes contribute to income inequality? Depending on their structure, taxes can either exacerbate or alleviate income inequality. Progressive tax systems, where the rich are taxed more heavily, can help reduce inequality. Question 21. How can meditation improve our health? Meditation can reduce stress, improve focus, and boost mental well-being. It's also linked to physical health benefits like lower blood pressure. Question 22. What makes a game enjoyable? A combination of factors, including compelling gameplay, engaging storylines, and well-designed graphics, can make a game enjoyable. Question 23. Can religion promote peace? Yes, many religions preach principles of love, compassion, and understanding, which can promote peace. Question 24. How can urban planning improve the environment? Good urban planning can promote sustainable transportation, reduce pollution, and create green spaces, improving the environment and quality of life. Question 25. How do taxes affect economic growth? Taxes can influence economic growth by affecting consumption, investment, and government spending. They can stimulate or hinder the economy, depending on how they're structured. In conclusion, our daily choices and actions can significantly impact our health, beliefs, and the world around us. From the food we eat to the games we play, from our religious beliefs to our political decisions, everything is interconnected. So let's strive to make informed choices, be respectful of others' beliefs, and take care of our planet.